And if you might have noticed here, the number 2 pinpoints yung kanyang what do you call that? Ovulation fossa. Number 2, this one. And for the number 5, this is an ovarian bursa. So when we say bursa kasi, this is a blind pouch. And for the number 3, this is somewhat a mixture of yung kanyang infundibulum as well as yung mga fimbria or the fimbriae or the fringe edges ng infundibulum. So this structure helps to catch the ovulated egg from ovulation fossa of the bee. And then later on, when this is being held in the infundibulum, this will enter in the number 4. So this is the ostium or the entrance of the oviduct. And then right after this, this will direct to the ampulla, and then we have the infundibulum. Isthmus, I should say, number 6. So this is the isthmus, and then going to the uterine. So that was the topic last meeting. For today, we have the secondary sex organ. So we have the infundibulum. When we say infundibulum, this is a funnel-shaped structure that is present in the oviduct. Okay, and in the picture on the right side, this is the whole infundibulum. Pardon, ano? Ayan siya. Together with the fibria. And this is ostium abdominale. That is ostium abdominale. Can you see this one? The ostium abdominale. Nakikita?
Yes, Doc.
Yeah. So this is an opening of the reproductive tract that is exposed in the abdomen of the female animal. So kumbaga, ito yung butas na nakabuyangyang or nakalitaw doon sa abdominal cavity ng babae. Okay? So there is parang direct connection in between the two. Pero ang main function niyan is dito yung entrance ng ovulated egg. So sa picture kasi ay ito ay kinat. Hanapin natin. Wait lang. Ayun. So ito kasi, itong structure na ito, yan, dapat nakalagay dito. Nakikita? In Ilocano, nakataya or nakasahod siya dyan. Para kung sino man ang or kung saan man mag-ovulate dito sa portion ng ovary na ito ay makukuha ng infundibulum yung egg cell. Okay? So going back. Oh, sorry. Okay, and we have mentioned this, the ostium abdominale. So another one, we have the another segment of the oviduct. Oh, by the way, the other names for oviduct are fallopian tube, uterine tube, and salpinx. I hope this one ay naalala ninyo. Okay, so for the ampulla, this is a connection in between the infundibulum and the isthmus. And in terms of size, this is more than half. So doon sa isthmus, ay doon sa ampulla and isthmus, mas malaki ito kasi more than half of the oviduct. And the next portion will be, we have the isthmus. So this is a connection between the ampulla and the uterine part itself. And speaking of the two structures, sabi ng teacher ko dati sa embryo, wherein the fallopian tube is the exact site of fertilization, this is in between the two. So this is the isthmo-ampullary junction. Okay, isthmo ampullary junction. This is site of fertilization. So that is the exact size of the site of fertilization wherein the egg cell meets the sperm cell. Okay, so this is in between. So when we are trying to locate that structure, so this is the isthmus. Parang hindi visible. This is the isthmus and this is the ampulla. Hi, good morning. And this is the isthmo-ampullary junction. So this is where the exact site of fertilization. Dito nagmi-meet ang sperm cell at egg cell. Okay. So in terms of musculature of the oviduct, we have different types of muscles present here. Please do remember the LOCI or the loci para hindi kayo malito. Okay? LOCI. Okay, let's annotate that one. Pag sinabi nating LOCI, oh sorry. Okay. So we have here longitudinal muscle orientation of the outer muscle. And then we have the circular orientation of the muscle for the inner. Longitudinal, that is present in the outer. Then longitudinal, ito yung outer niya, no? Manipis yung pangsulat ko. This one. This is the longitudinal outer muscles. And then for the inner, we have this one. This is circular. So can you imagine that? Kapag ka nag-contract ang outer muscles, this will shorten the oviduct. Kasi pa-longitudinal yung striation ng muscle. Ang circular muscle na nasa inner, pabilog daw siya at nag-contract, ibig sabihin, liliit yung lumen or diameter ng oviduct. Nagkakaintindihan tayo?
Yes, Doc.
Yeah. Okay. And in terms of the thickness, ito naman ay pakapal ng pakapal yung muscle during or habang papunta siya kay uterus. So meaning to say, manipis yung thick, thin yung muscle dito sa ovarian end. Nagkakaintindihan? Pero pagdating kay uterine end or papunta kay uterine horn ay makapal yung muscles. Okay, so review for this slide. Longitudinal outer muscle, circular inner muscle. So pag nag-contract ang longitudinal, pero pag nag-contract ang circular muscles, there will be a constrictions of the uterine tube. And in terms of thickness, habang papunta siya kay uterus, kumakapal yung muscle thickness or nagkakaroon ng muscle thickness. Pero habang papunta siya kay ovarian end or kay ovary, nagkakaroon ng muscle thinness. Okay?